Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by St. Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mridula Kadadevru, mathematics teacher for standard 6th. So children, today let us continue with our chapter 14 practical geometry. So children, let us start with the chapter. Children, we have done question number 1 and question number 2 from exercise 14.1. Now let us start with question number 3. Draw a circle and any two of its diameter. If you join the end of these diameters, what is the figure obtained? What figure is obtained if the diameters are perpendicular to each other? How do you check your answer? So children, first let us draw a circle and two diameters in it. So children, I have drawn two circles with same radius and I have taken diameters here. Here you observe that the diameters are not perpendicular. You can draw anyhow. And next, when you join the end of these diagonals, so this is first diagonal and this is second diagonal. So I am joining the edges, that is ends of the diagonal. So which figure do you observe here? The figure formed is a quadrilateral and it is a rectangle. Suppose if in the same circle, if I draw the diagonals which are perpendicular to each other, perpendicular means the angle formed when they intersect, it should be 90 degrees. So when I draw the diagonals perpendicular to each other and then join the ends of the diagonals, then I observe that the figure formed is a square. So children, you have to draw two circles where in one circle you are using the diagonals anyhow, not perpendicular, and in the second one draw perpendicular diagonals and just write the figure formed. So here in the first case the figure formed is a rectangle and in second case the figure formed is a square. Moving on to question number 4. Draw any circle and mark points A, B and C such that A is on the circle, B is in the interior of the circle, interior means inside the circle, C is in the exterior of the circle. So exterior will be outside the circle. So first let us draw a circle of any radius. So children, use the rounder and with any convenient radius draw a circle. So I am drawing a circle here. So here is my circle and this is my center O. Next, what they have told, first A is on the circle. On the circle means on this circumference, that is boundary. So mark A on the circle. Next we have B is in the interior. Interior means inside. So mark B inside the circle and C is in the exterior, that is outside the circle. So mark C. So this is all about question number 4. Now let us move to question number 5. Let A, B be the centers of two circles of equal radii. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of each other. Let them intersect at C and D. Examine whether AB and CD are at right angles. So children, you have to draw two circles of equal radii and mark the center of these two circles as A and B. And when you draw the circles, you have to make sure that the center of one circle will be the center of the one circle center should pass through the other circle. I have taken the circle. See here children, I have taken A as the center and I have drawn a circle. So this is my circle with center A. Now you have to take another center B such that when you catch this as a center, the point of the circle, so the circle should pass through the center. So when I am drawing this circle with B as center, the circle should pass through the center of the first circle. So can you observe? Yes. So you have to draw in this manner. Now what you have to do, As you know that the AB are the centers, so I am just joining this, and where the two circles meet, these points. So join these 2 points and mark it as C and D. Now what they have asked you, whether AB and CD are at right angles. AB and CD are at right angles. So to find or to prove that these are at right angles, what we have to do, you have to construct a figure, that is join the ends of both these lines. Join AD, BD, BC and AC. So I have joined it here. Now this point A and point B are the centers of the two circles, and these two are intersecting at the point C and D. Is it clear? Now in this figure A, D, B, C. Now I have constructed this. So in this figure you observe that AD and AC are same, because these two are the radius of center of the first circle with center A, isn't it? So this one radius, this one radius. Similarly, we have BC and BD as the radius of circle 2. I will mark it as circle 1 and circle 2 with center B. Now when the radius of the two circles are same, we can write it as AD is equals to AC is equals to BC is equals to BD. Now when all these four radius are equal in length, then the figure formed here, the quadrilateral formed here, it will be a rhombus. And what are the properties of rhombus? Whenever a rhombus is formed, then in this rhombus the diagonals will always bisect each other at 90 degrees. Hence we can say AB and CD are at right angles. So children, is it clear? Okay, by this we finish our exercise 14.